Your brain is dying right now. Every second you watch this, thousands of brain cells are damaged. But what if eating chocolate before bed could reverse it? I'm dead serious. Scientists just discovered 5 foods that literally regenerate your brain while you sleep. And the pharmaceutical companies are furious this information is getting out. Number 3 has been banned in some hospitals because it works too well. What if I told you that while you're sleeping tonight, your brain could be healing itself and getting sharper just by eating the right foods before bed? Stick around because what I'm about to reveal will completely change how you think about your evening snacks. And trust me, number 1 on this list is something you're actually going to be excited about. Let's be real for a second. You've walked into a room and completely forgotten why you're there, or maybe you've called your kid by the dog's name again. We're living in a world where our brains are running on fumes, trying to remember passwords, names, appointments, and where we left our phones, while literally holding them. But here's something most people don't know. While you're sleeping, your brain has this incredible ability to repair itself, flush out toxins, and literally rebuild damaged brain cells. Scientists call it the glymphatic system, and it's like having a cleaning crew come through your brain every night. But certain foods can turn that cleaning crew into a full renovation team. That's exactly what we're talking about today. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat tonight to wake up smarter tomorrow. Your brain is made up of billions of neurons that constantly communicate through connections called synapses. Every memory, skill, and thought depends on these connections being strong and healthy. The problem is, they get damaged throughout the day by stress, lack of sleep, poor diet, and normal aging. But your brain can repair these connections and create new ones through neuroplasticity. Sleep is when the magic happens. During deep sleep, your brain consolidates memories, clears toxic proteins, and repairs damaged cells. When you combine quality sleep with the right foods, you give your brain premium fuel for this repair process. Alright, let's dive into the top 5 foods that can actually help your brain repair itself. These aren't just tasty, there's real science behind how they support your brain's healing processes, especially while you sleep. So, let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have walnuts. Walnuts are packed with DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid that makes up a huge portion of your brain's structure. Think of DHA as the building blocks your brain uses to repair and create new neural pathways. Studies show that people who eat walnuts regularly have better memory, faster processing speeds, and improved cognitive function. One study in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating just a handful of walnuts per day improved cognitive performance in adults. What makes walnuts especially powerful for nighttime brain healing is they also contain melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. So you're getting better quality sleep while giving your brain the raw materials it needs to rebuild itself. The optimal amount is about 1 ounce, roughly 7 whole walnuts, consumed about an hour before bed. You can eat them straight, throw them in yogurt, or blend them into a smoothie. Just be consistent, because the benefits compound over time. At number 4, we have blueberries, and these little guys are absolute powerhouses for brain health. Blueberries are loaded with flavonoids, specifically anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color. These anthocyanins cross the blood-brain barrier, which is pretty exclusive, because your brain is very selective about what it lets in. Once these compounds get into your brain, they reduce inflammation, promote growth of new neurons, and improve communication between brain cells. Harvard researchers conducted a study following over 16,000 participants and found that women who ate at least 1 serving of blueberries per week delayed cognitive decline by up to 2.5 years. You can essentially turn back the clock on brain aging just by eating some berries. What makes blueberries perfect for your nighttime routine is they're rich in antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, one of the main culprits behind brain cell damage. When you eat blueberries before bed, you're flooding your system with protective compounds right before your brain enters repair mode during sleep. The recommended serving is about half a cup to 1 cup, fresh or frozen. Frozen blueberries retain their nutritional value really well and are usually cheaper. Eat them plain, mix them with cottage cheese, or throw them in a smoothie. Number 3 is fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which are, essential for brain structure and function. About 60% of your brain is made of fat, and a large portion is DHA. When you don't consume enough omega-3s, your brain cells become rigid and less able to communicate effectively. Studies consistently show that people who eat fatty fish regularly have more gray matter in their brains, the part responsible for memory, decision-making, and emotional regulation. One study from the University of Pittsburgh found that adults who consumed fish regularly had larger brain volumes in areas associated with memory and cognition. What makes fatty fish perfect for nighttime brain repair is that omega-3s are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Inflammation is one of the biggest enemies of brain health. When you eat fish for dinner, ideally 3 to 4 hours before bed, you give your body time to digest and utilize those omega-3s during deep sleep cycles when brain repair peaks. Aim for a palm-sized portion of fatty fish at least twice a week, though 3 times is even better. Rolling in at number 2, we have dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard. Dark leafy greens are packed with brain-protective nutrients like vitamin K, lutein, folate, and beta-carotene. Researchers at Rush University followed over 900 participants for nearly 5 years. What they found was, honestly, mind-blowing. People who ate just 1 serving of leafy greens per day had the cognitive abilities of someone 11 years younger than those who rarely ate greens. 11 years. That's the difference between staying sharp well into your 70s and 80s versus struggling with memory problems in your 60s. What makes leafy greens particularly powerful for nighttime brain restoration is their high magnesium content. Magnesium is crucial for regulating neurotransmitters that promote deep, restorative sleep. It also protects your neurons from oxidative stress and supports glutathione production, your brain's master antioxidant. When you eat a big serving of leafy greens with dinner or in an evening salad, you're setting your brain up for optimal repair during sleep. Aim for at least 1 to 2 cups of raw greens or 1 cup of cooked greens daily. Make a salad, sauté them with garlic and olive oil, blend them into soup, or sneak them into a smoothie. And now, the #1 food for healing brain cells and restoring memory while you sleep is dark chocolate. Yes, dark chocolate. But before you run to the pantry, I'm talking about real dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao content, not sugar-loaded milk chocolate. Dark chocolate contains powerful flavonoids, particularly epicatechin, which boosts brain plasticity. Brain plasticity is your brain's ability to reorganize itself, form new neural connections, and adapt to new information. Multiple studies show that dark chocolate consumption improves memory, attention span, reaction time, and problem-solving abilities. One study from Loma Linda University found that consuming dark chocolate with high cacao content positively impacts memory, mood, and immunity. The flavonoids in dark chocolate increase blood flow to the brain, meaning more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your brain cells for repair and regeneration. What makes dark chocolate perfect for your evening routine is that when consumed in the right amount and timing, it won't interfere with sleep, but will provide your brain with powerful protective compounds right before your body enters repair mode. The key is portion control and timing. Aim for about 1 ounce, roughly 3 to 4 squares, consumed about 2 hours before bed. This gives the minimal caffeine time to metabolize while still providing brain-boosting flavonoids during sleep. Choose chocolate with at least 70% cacao, ideally 75 to 85% for maximum benefits. So there you have it. 5 delicious, scientifically backed foods that can literally heal your brain cells and restore your memory while you sleep. Imagine incorporating these foods into your routine starting tonight. Within weeks, you're sharper in meetings, remembering names and details that normally would have slipped away. Within months, you've literally changed the trajectory of your brain health. And the best part? This is all happening while you're sleeping. Pick one of these foods and commit to having it tonight before bed. Don't try to overhaul your entire diet in one day. Just start with one. Maybe it's a handful of walnuts or some blueberries with yogurt. Build that habit, then add another. Small, consistent actions create massive results over time. Your brain is the most valuable asset you have. Everything you experience, every relationship you build, every goal you achieve starts in your brain. Treat it right, and it will serve you incredibly well for decades to come. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs this message. Drop a comment below telling me which food you're most excited to try tonight. Subscribe because I've got so much more brain-boosting content coming your way. Here's to sharper minds, better memories, and waking up tomorrow feeling like the best version of yourself. Now go eat some brain food and get some sleep.